Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials in place. Install Visual Studio Code and PowerShell 7, then make sure PWSH is in your path so the editor can invoke it. Open VS Code, install the Microsoft PowerShell extension, and accept any prompts. Once done, set the integrated terminal to PowerShell in Terminal Default Profile. Also run Set Execution Policy, remote signed as administrator, if you need to run local scripts. This allows development without reducing security too much. You'll now configure VS Code for efficient execution. Open the project folder and save workspace settings to keep profiles consistent. Create a launch. JSON to enable breakpoints and attach configurations, and add tasks. JSON for formatting, linting, or build steps using Pester or PS rule. Use the run script or run selection commands from the PowerShell extension and the integrated terminal for quick iteration. Make sure to enable code lens and script analysis rules so you catch issues early and keep your work. You finish by testing an end-to-end debug session. Set breakpoints, run with the configured profile, and step through code to confirm behavior. Make sure workspace settings are committed so collaborators get the same environment. When issues appear, inspect the PowerShell output and debug console for stack traces and module load errors. If the extension misbehaves, try Reload window, reinstalling the PowerShell extension, or resetting the PowerShell extension host. These actions resolve most host or state corruption problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.